Mayuresh, did you recommend buying Tuesday's fall in the market? And if so, what were the top names on your shopping list?
No, I think we were a little cautious. And again, I think, Aisha, as I have pointed out, I think what we ideally like now to see that over the next day or two, if the market stabilizes from the lows that we had made on Tuesday, we will get into a rally attempt, a phase that we term in markets within as a good phase to start making your watch list. And therefore, I think, as I put forth, I think in the next few days, if everything is sound on the political front, it seems to be sound on the political front, and the data points in the market are suggesting that we'll create a watch list. I think the watch list will primarily be among the domestic cyclicals itself. So cement would be a big theme as we see it. Stocks like Ultratech, as an example, would remain part of our watch list. BFSI would be a very, very interesting space as well. So top names like ICICI Bank within the private names will definitely form part of our watch list. A few of the consumer discretionary stocks as well, because with good monsoons expected this time round, I think the second half in terms of an earnings trajectory should be equally good as well. So I think we'll just keep our fingers crossed over the next 3 to 4 days. I think if everything works well on all these counts and the market does not breach the lows made on Tuesday, I think this watch list may be put into an action.
Point taken, Mayuresh. On that note, we let you go, Aditya as well as Kunal. Thanks so much for making time and staying with us today. But time now to take it across to Vinny for seeing how the market close really pans out today.
Absolutely. So today seems like a bit of a seesaw kind of a day, right? We saw it go up and down. 22,600 was the lowest point for the Nifty and 22,900 was the highest point, but managing to close somewhere between, more towards the 22,900 mark. So 22,857 levels is what the Nifty will be closing at. Gains of 1%, similar gains for the Sensex as well. Broader markets, let's pull that up, what the mid cap and the small cap is doing, because that was outperforming the benchmark indices, and that is clearly what is happening at the end of the day. Mid and small cap managing to perform well. We had a lot of stocks, so keep an eye out on ITC, because the hotel demerger has been approved by the shareholder. When you look at it in terms of the approval, 99.6% of the shareholders had approved ITC's demerger. Z, the fundraising that we were keeping an eye out on, they've raised 2,000 crores. On the back of that, we've seen a run-up coming in for Z Entertainment as well. Other than that, all those PSU names were buzzing in trade. So let's pull up something like an REC, PFC, GAIL, all of them managing to hold on to strong gains. SAIL also coming in over there, managing to hold on to strong gains today, and that was from the PSU pack. We had top sectoral gainer today, the Nifty Realty, Media, PSU banks also making the list there, all managing to hold on to good gains. While today we had the FMCG pack, which was a bit subdued in trade, and whether the names, whether you look like at a Britannia or even a HUL, Nestle, Dabur, Marico, all of them a bit under pressure in the FMCG pack. Not much of an excitement today after a couple of days of gain that we saw coming for the FMCG pack. But all in all, we had seen good gains from the realty names. So whether you look at it, whether it's a Brigade Enterprise, DLF, Godrej Properties, all of them managed to see good gains. And that's how we'll be closing the day. Nifty closing with gains of almost 1%.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.